Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Arctic Awakening game crashing at startup, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart PC and Steam. So for that, first go to Steam, then click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, now click on start option over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After that, launch Steam and check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, you need to go to Steam, then go to the library section where your game has been installed. Now select the game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now from here you need to select your game. I'm showing you the example as I have not downloaded the game. After selecting the application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here you need to select run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Now check if you can launch the game. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, select disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and play and see if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlay. So Steam users just launch Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, then go below here, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You simply need to click on it to disable it. After that, try to launch the game and see if it helps. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, now switch off enable in-game overlay option. So after doing all these things, now try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and see if it is working or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. After it opens, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Then here click on change settings. After that, here you need to find the game if it's listed over here. If not, you simply click on allow another app, then go to the browse section, and from here you need to select the game. After selecting it, add it to the list. After adding it, select and make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK. After this, try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available for your drivers. Once done, now try to play the game and see if it is working. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link I have already given in the description, and from there you can easily download the latest graphics card and then try to play the game and see if it helps. Next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click under general here. You need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if it works. If it doesn't help, now here you need to type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if it's working now. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings, and now here you have to add the game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game and click on add option to add it. After adding it, under GPU preference you need to select high performance. After doing this, try to launch the game and see if it is working or not. If not, next solution is to check graphics settings. So when our graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues like not launching or others. So make sure to set up the settings properly, or even you can lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issues. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager, After that, here you need to find the apps that is of no use but running in the background. So as of now is this app you simply need to select. Now right click on it, click on end task, and this will close the app completely from your device. After that, check and try to play the game and see if it helps. If not, next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here it will direct you to the Windows update page. You need to click on check for updates option if available, and if there is any update, simply update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and see if it is working. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link I have given in the description. Just open it in your browser and download and install Visual C++ files. After that, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. So after copying the link, open this in your browser. After opening it, now from here you can download the latest Visual C++ files. After downloading that, install it and then try to launch the game and see if it's working now. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on advanced, then click on settings, click on advanced. After that, click on change, and now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After selecting it, click on custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and maximum size 24576. Now this configuration is for 8 GB RAM if you are having on your system, and then click on set and OK. Now if you have 16 GB RAM, this will change it. You have to type 24576 in the initial size, and here you need to type 49152, and after that click on set and then OK. So by this way you can also check if the game launches without any further problem. If not, final solution is to reinstall Arctic Awakening game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, now restart your system once. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall the game, that is Arctic Awakening, and then try to play and see if it is working now without any further problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Arctic Awakening not launching, crashing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.